I have a tool of gentle persuasion. Put that back terminal on there. And it is only temporarily because I do need to move it, so once I've connected these up, I'm going to be taking them off when the engine is running, taping the positive one up, and then allowing the bus to let its alternator take over. So I'm just going to go do the negative. So as I say, it's I have finally come to the decision, and providing the person in question gets the money, B10 will be leaving the shed and leaving my hands. So let's see if this fires up now. So today I am prepping it basically. Today I'm prepping it basically ready to be either they want to drive it or tow it away, whichever one. So I'm just prepping it so they can basically. So let's see if it fires up. No. If these batteries are charged up enough, we don't even have 22 volts on them. So they're not going to start this. It works! It's a lot of fucking about. Pressure, that's good. Fuel. Massive air leak. Low on fuel. Seat got it's a nice cool chair, so let's see if the handbrake will come off this. Front brake has come off. got very little front brakes because of an air leak. Right, so let's go put some blocks under. Recommend that they tow it. Oh, it's gone crusty already. Well, I believe that there. Bastard! Right, I fixed that. Right, so the back's done. I'll need to cable tie that in or something. But that is the pressure sensor for the blower. You've just discovered it. Blows off at force. I have no ears left now. Right, it's dripping water. That means the blower is doing its job correctly. As long as it's not coolant. Yeah, so this is now prepping it to go really. We'll put all these wheel nuts on. I need to put a full right hand lockdown so I can have a look at this airline at the front. In here, this airline here, it's got a nip in it there. It looks like 12mm airline, so I could essentially nick the bit, cut it, nick the bit off the solo, order a new one for that, and actually put that back in line. So we'll go give that a go. We'll cut that airline off completely now. We'll turn it off, cut that airline off completely. See how it goes, see if we can get a 12 mil on it. It'll go on, then we'll take the bit off the solo, which is easy to get to even when it's sat in its arse. We'll order a new bit for that. We'll get one for that. This doesn't have a levelling arm on it either at this corner. That's in my toolbox. So yeah, it's all little things. I do suggest that they do tow it, but you know how far they get when you see pictures of it. But yeah, so let's fix this and then we can see if it leaks or not. I have no idea why it started doing this. I believe that is it over pressurising. So, towing this is going to be an absolute bastard, I think, but we'll see. It stops now, so. And then that's it. It can go. You'll see it in its new home shortly. So, just before we go, don't forget you can support us on Patreon. Link is down in the description. We've got Discord you can join us on. Links are in website and description. And if you like what you see, you can support us more. But for me and the B10, for the last time, hopefully, we'll be saying goodbye. So, it's goodbye to the B10. It's been wonderful. It's 3 years of pleasure. Now we've got the 2 darts. Let's get them sorted and get them on the road. This B10 is going to where it belongs. In Scotland.
Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door, the memories come back again. Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave. Makes me wonder what happened, what you're up to today. Remember when we stole your mother's car, we drove for days. Teenagers with too many feelings and rage. We were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when, way back when. Remember when my father taught us how to play guitar, and we started up a band in my garage. We thought our dream would take us so far, but after a week or so it all just fell apart. But we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time right now. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back